The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Appalachian Bay or coastal waters from Heaton Beach to Ocklawahamie River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Ocklawahamie River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters
It's not
from
5:15
Swampy
yet.
River to Heaton
It's
Beach
5.
to 20 nautical miles. Waters from Swampy River to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:58 p.m.
Why did you fail? I wanted a perfect activation.
Thunderstorm was located near marker 24 barge, moving west at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated.
Also, a few minutes ago, I found out why the SIG wasn't activated. Someone decided to change all the SIG codes to 0, so it went activate.
Locations impacted include K-Tower, marker 24 barge and O-Tower. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusting winds and high waves are expected.
Imagine it's a double header.
The following broadcast is a special weather statement issued by the National Weather Service in Tallahassee, Florida. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of northeastern Madison, Lanier, Lowndes, and southeastern Brooks counties through 5
you're on.
Eastern Daylight Time.
You're on.
At 4:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line
I also got these two
12
activated.
miles south of Homerville to Jasper. Movement was northwest at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, winds in excess of 40 miles per hour.
Okay. Poop.